The government's fiscal rules will not change despite the market turmoil that saw 30-year gilt yields reach their highest point since 1998, Keir Starmer said. Keir Starmer has rejected suggestions he will have to hike taxes or slash spending because of Donald Trump's tariff blitz. The Prime Minister's comments on Wednesday came as China heaped 84% tariffs on the US, ramped up from a previous 34%, in retaliation for Trump's 104% levies on. When it was put to him that he would have to increase taxes or cut spending, Sir Keir said, "I reject that argument." Liz Truss tried the experiment of putting to one side rules and institutions, checks and balances, and it had a huge impact on working people across the country when she crashed the economy. We are not going to allow that to happen for working. That's why the fiscal rules were put in the first place. It's why they're ironclad, why they're non-negotiable, because that platform of stability is what gives us the chance for investment into this country. Huge investment I've been able to announce today in relation to the Bedford theme park, billions of pounds that only comes because we created the conditions of stability and the fiscal rules are part of that, Sir Keir told ITV's Peston. The fiscal rules were put in for a purpose, they're ironclad, they're non-negotiable. He added, "They're not going to change, we're acting in the national interest. Those fiscal rules are foundational to the stability that we brought to our economy, so we go ahead in that calm way." The Starmer government set out new fiscal rules in October 2024, at Rachel Reeves' first budget as Chancellor, which prevent borrowing to fund day-to-day. The Chancellor attempted to offer reassurances to the city on Wednesday when stocks continued to slide following Mr. Trump's imposition of sweeping tariffs. Yields on long-dated government bonds surged to their highest point since 1998 as investors anticipated faster interest rate cuts from the Bank of England, BOE, raising the cost of government borrowing.
Cuando tú no estás conmigo, cómo gritarle a los vientos que me perteneces, que te necesito, cómo explicar la alegría cuando tú estás a mi lado. Yo sé que no hay en el mundo un amor más grande como el que me has dado. Te amo, amor, te amo, por siempre mil veces te amo. Y aunque no creo merecerte, doy gracias al cielo de haberte encontrado. Te amo, amor, te amo, por siempre mil veces te amo. Que Dios bendiga tus ojos, tu cara bonita, tu amor, tus encantos.